Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, financial besties. How you doing? How you been? Welcome back and happy Friday to you. What's up, y'all? I know I haven't been live in a minute. It's been a while. I wanted to hop on and just have a casual chat with my besties. I didn't have anything planned to talk to y'all about. I'm like, but I haven't talked to my besties in like 3 weeks. Let me go live. What's up, besties? I need to find my straw. But leave a comment in the chat if you're watching me live. Let me know how you're feeling. Oh, hold on. And I got my wrong specs on. These are not my computer specs. Get my blue blockers. Leave a comment in the chat if you're with me live. Let me know how you're feeling. Let me know how you're feeling. How you doing with all this craziness going on in our country or in the world, should I say? Yeah, these are my computer specs. My computer specs make me look all studious and smart. My real specs is like an accessory to my outfit, whatever I'm wearing. But the computer specs make me feel smart too. So I put these on to activate when I talk to my friends online. What's up, y'all? How you feeling? But as I mentioned, I just wanted to have a casual chat and also to remind you all that I am doing something special with everyone that enrolls in the Your Road to 100K course. I am doing something special next month. I am offering complimentary group coaching for those who enroll in the course this month. We will have group coaching next month in April. I know some of you have, well, not some, many of you have already taken the course or when I taught it live, which I haven't done in quite a while. This time it's kind of going to be a combination of both. It's going to be the course and I'm going to do group coaching and Q&A next month. So how many of you have not taken your road to 100K? How many of you haven't taken your road to 100K? Have you been watching my videos and thinking about investing in the stock market, but you still haven't started? Or you've started, but you hesitate to invest more because you're a little nervous, especially when the stock market is down. I'm pretty sure that is a common thing. But I can also guess that many of you probably keep saying you want to invest, you should start investing, you know you should be investing, but you haven't because you feel stuck. You're probably wondering where to start, how much you need to start, what to invest in, which brokerage firm to use, how in the world can you make money in the stock market? All the questions, all the things, right? Let me know if you have wondered any of those questions if you're not currently investing. I know one thing, I thought it would take me forever to make my first 100K in the stock market. Ooh, child. I remember when I first started investing. I spent so much time researching and reading and dotting every I and crossing every T because y'all know I was a single mom and I did not have a dollar to waste. So I wanted to make sure I did not lose a dime. But because I wasted so much time, I still ended up losing money because I wasn't investing. So I was losing money because I was sitting on the sidelines and my money wasn't growing for me. And I also made a lot of unnecessary mistakes. to be honest. Made a lot of unnecessary mistakes. A whole lot of things I could have avoided. So that's actually one of the reasons why I created the Your Road to 100K course. It's what I consider a beginner friendly course, unlike my Invest with Ease and Sister Circle program, which is more for people that have experience in the stock market and already have a 100K portfolio that they want to learn how to grow. So Your Road to 100K is for those who do not have a 100K portfolio yet. It's more beginner friendly. And all the mistakes that I made in the beginning, all the regrets I had, all the things I wish I knew, that's what I put into the beginner friendly course, the Your Road to 100K. So I help you to avoid all of that, all of that. Um, but if you've been thinking about enrolling in the course so that you can take advantage of the bonus group coaching, and if you have questions about the course before you enroll, this video is for you. I just want to keep this video light, and that's what I'm going to talk about tonight. I'm going to answer all of the frequently asked questions that I've seen over the past year or so, the emails that I receive, the DMs that I receive from people before they enroll in the course. I'm going to talk about who the course is for. I'll talk more about that. I'm going to share what you'll learn inside of the course. We'll talk about how the course is structured if you're interested in that. I'll share more about the support that you will receive when you enroll in the course. And I'll talk about the bonuses you'll receive in addition to the course. And also, the most popular question that everybody wants to know, the price. We'll talk about the price and a whole lot more. But if you have any questions about the course, feel free, drop them in the comments. If you're watching the replay, hey from the future, hey friends. If you are watching me live, drop your questions in the live chat, and I'll answer all of them in this video because I want to help you to stop overthinking and to start investing so you can actually build wealth, especially in this time right now. The economy that we're in, what the market is doing right now, you will experience the greatest wealth transfer. I want you to be on the right side of the wealth transfer. So we need to get you prepared so you can take advantage of that. And I also want you to stop procrastinating, stop overthinking. So I want to answer all of the questions you have in this video. But before we get started, didn't introduce myself. Darn it. If you're new here, hey girl, hey. My name is Malika. Some people refer to me as Money Coach Malika. I help women, mainly women over 40, learn how to invest in the stock market and build a portfolio for financial freedom. I did the same for myself. I retired myself at the age of 47. And now that I am what I would prefer to call work optional instead of retired, but I share weekly gems on my channel related to personal finance, investing, and building wealth for financial freedom. So if that is of interest to you, go hit that subscribe button. Hit that button down there somewhere and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video or go live. So welcome, new friend. Welcome, welcome. Now let me say hello to my OG besties, and then we'll get into the Your Road to 100K course, frequently asked questions. Let me say hello to my besties because I haven't seen many of you in a while. Hello, hello. Miss Angie Mo. Yes. Yes, yes, Miss Survivor. Congratulations to you, Survivor, my pink sister, Miss Angie Mo. Hello, hello, Miss Faithful Jones. How you doing? How you been? Hi, Igami. What's up, friend? What's up, bestie and channel member? And Angie Mo is a channel member too. I forgot to mention that. And Angie says, if anyone is wondering if it's worth it, it definitely is. Yes, Angie is an alumni of the Your Road to 100K course. She said, I am still benefiting from what I've learned from the course. Thank you for sharing that, Miss Angie. Thank you for sharing that. If anyone joins us later, hello to you too. If I don't circle back and say hello to you, charge it to my mind and not my heart, because I love you so very much. But let's get into these frequently asked questions. I'm going to pull them up on my phone to make sure I don't miss any. It's about 10 questions that I receive the most often about the course. And they tend to be repeat questions. So I figure I'd just do a video and answer them all in one place. But they're in no particular order. No one question is more common than the other, but I just gathered these 10 that I see the most often. But the first question, who is this course for? Who is Your Road to 100K for? I created Your Road to 100K specifically for women over 40. I created it for women over 40 that want to learn how to invest in the stock market, because there's so many of us that are, or that feel like you are behind because you haven't started investing, or you've only been investing a little bit and now you're starting to think about retirement and you're not prepared. So if you are a complete beginner, and even if you have some investing experience, this course will provide the knowledge to navigate the stock market. And I also give you step-by-step guidance on how to invest and build your portfolio for long-term wealth, no matter what the stock market is doing. No matter what the stock market is doing. Over the past couple of weeks, I've been sharing videos about how to invest in this volatile stock market, about how to decide if you need to cash out when the stock market crashes or before the stock market crash, right? A lot of those comments in those videos are from clients that have taken Your Road to 100K, and they're so calm. They're not even concerned about a market crash because they know exactly what to do. So this course is for you. If you're a woman over 40, actually the course can be taken by anyone, but it was specifically designed for women over 40. And if you're feeling financially behind and you want to start investing or get caught up, for lack of a better phrase, if you've tried investing before and you stopped because it was overwhelming, this course is definitely for you. If you have debt, this course is still for you. That was actually a question I received via email yesterday. You can still invest even if you have debt. In fact, you should be investing even if you have debt. You do not have to be debt-free before you start investing. And even if you choose to delay investing, taking the course now is knowledge that will compound and that will benefit you for the rest of your life. So even if you choose to invest later, taking the course now will still give you the knowledge that will benefit you for the rest of your life. The next frequently asked question that I often receive, and again, if you have any questions about the Your Road to 100K course, feel free to leave them in the live chat if you're watching me live, or leave a comment if you're watching the replay. But the next question that I often receive is, what will I learn in the course? Specifically, what will you learn in the course? You will learn how the stock market works, but without all the confusing financial jargon, all the finance bro language. I don't use all that. But you will learn how the stock market works. I will break it down in layman's terms that you can understand. You will also learn how to choose quality quality investments for long-term growth. You will also learn step by step, my step-by-step process to invest and build a 100K portfolio. You can build a portfolio following this process way beyond 100K. But the objective is to help you to build your first six-figure portfolio. And then you come on over to Invest with Ease, and I will show you more strategies and give you more tools on how to grow it beyond six figures. But the step-by-step process is most certainly going to help you build your first six-figure portfolio. In the course, you will also learn how to avoid common investing mistakes. I see so many new investors making some very, very common mistakes that can cost you a lot of money. So the very thing that you fear doing, most new investors do it, and it costs them a lot of money. So in the Your Road to 100K course, I teach you how to avoid those common mistakes so you are not losing money. And most importantly, I teach you how to manage risk so that you can invest without fear when the stock market goes down, which is what it does all the time. But I show you how to navigate that and how to manage risk so you're not afraid when you see red in the market. All right. But in the Your Road to 100K course, it is essentially a simple, stress-free system to help you build your portfolio with confidence. That's simple. It was created for beginners that want to stop making all the mistakes, that want to stop guessing, that want to stop following the crowd, that want to stop following advice on what to invest in that you heard on YouTube, that you've seen on the internet. I give you the resources and the tools to make the decision for yourself so that you can become an informed investor and stop gambling in the stock market. Because I want you to build long-term, sustainable wealth. And some of the bonus content in the course include some downloadable resources and worksheets to help you invest long-term and build that sustainable wealth. It also includes a supportive community of like-minded women on a similar financial journey. And for students that enroll this month, for the besties that enroll this month, you will also receive the complimentary group coaching in April for direct support. I will answer all of your pressing questions about investing in the stock market, and I will make sure that you are on the right track so that when you're done with the course, when you're done with the coaching, you will know exactly what you need to do to build your portfolio, and you will not be afraid when you see the volatility in the market and the media writes headlines with doom and gloom, the market is crashing. And you will see those reports and you will still sleep well at night. Anybody in the comments that have taken your road to 100K, let them know. Let them know how you're feeling when you see that red in the market, when the news talks about, oh, the market is crashing. What are you doing? What are you doing now that you've taken the course, the Your Road to 100K course? Let me know in the comments. The third most frequently asked question that I receive. Hello, Miss Diane. Hey, financial bestie and channel member. How you doing? How you been? But the third most frequently asked question that I receive about the course is, what makes this one any different? Because I know there are many, many investing courses out there. Ain't none of them like mine. I'm kidding. But I know there are many investing courses out there. But seriously, Your Road to 100K is different because it's designed for women over 40. And the way I designed it specifically for women over 40 is because I teach long-term investing strategies for women who want financial security, for women who want passive income so you can stop working, and for women who want a stress free approach to wealth building. So there's no day trading. I don't teach day trading in your road to 100K. I don't teach anything high risk. I don't encourage you to gamble and guess. And there's most definitely no get rich quick schemes in your road to 100K. So we invest with ease. We establish a long-term strategy to build long-term wealth, sustainable long-term wealth. So you're not gaining 100, losing 75, gaining 200, losing 300. No, we're not doing all that. We're building sustainable long-term wealth no matter what the market is doing. Smart, sustainable wealth building. That is how your road to 100K is different from all the others. Plus, you get me. You get me. And y'all know I do everything with ease because I don't like to work. Y'all know I ain't worked since May 2022, since I retired myself. So I'm all about doing everything with ease. I teach with ease. I coach with ease. My processes that I share with you are all with ease. So I keep it simple and I keep it fun because investing does not have to be complicated and it does not have to be overwhelming. So that is what I think is different about your road to 100K versus other courses that are out there. We keep it simple and fun so you can build long-term sustainable wealth. Yes, Angie Mo. Angie Mo says she's chilling. She's chilling. When the market is on fire, when the media is saying the stock market is crashing, Angie Mo said she chilling and she buy on sale. She took my course. Look, it got me. She said the same thing. She took my course. You got see, chilling, chilling, no stress at all. And that's what I teach in your road to 100K. Another question I receive often is, do I need prior investing experience? And the simple answer to that is absolutely not. Absolutely not. The course is beginner friendly. It's beginner friendly and it breaks down investing into simple, easy to follow steps. I give you a step each day, a new step each day of the course. And by the end of the course, we wrap it all up with a demonstration to show you how to do it yourself. So I give you very simple, easy to follow steps. So if you have never invested before, you've heard of the stock market, but you don't know anything about it, you don't even know how to access the stock market, or if you've been investing, but you feel overwhelmed because you really don't know what you're doing. Most of my clients, most of the besties that have gone through your road to 100K, they have had some investing exposure before, but they've been burned or they're confused or they're overwhelmed and they're like, girl, help me organize this. Fix this for me. They've made the mistakes and then I help them clean it up. But it's a lot easier if you haven't made the mistakes and you go ahead and learn how to do things the right way, right? So if you're a beginner or if you've been investing but you're overwhelmed, your road to 100K will give you the knowledge and the guidance to get started and to get started the right way. Which reminds me of another question that I did not have written down, but it's a question I receive often is, what if I don't have a lot of money to invest? What if I don't have a lot of money to invest? Girl, that's okay too. Because you don't need a lot of money to invest. In your road to 100K, I teach you how to start with whatever you have. And you can build your portfolio over time. And in the coaching component, the complimentary coaching bonus, I will do a live demonstration for you to show you how to invest with a very small amount, right? Small, consistent investments over time build up. And you will be surprised when you're investing consistently. You will be surprised at how fast your money can grow. It does not take a lot of money to start, but time and compounding interest is what does the work for you. So all you have to do is invest consistently with whatever you have. And I show you how to do that in your Road to 100K. All right. Any questions in the live chat? If you've already taken the course, do you have any questions about your portfolio or about the stock market? I can answer those questions for you too. But the next frequently asked question that I receive is, how long does it take to complete the course? How long does it take to complete the course? This one, I can't really give you a specific answer because the course is self-paced. The course component is self-paced. Some students complete the course in a few days. I have noticed, based on the analytics, most students complete the course within a week or two, but you'll have access to the course content and the materials for 6 months. So you can learn at your own pace. So it doesn't really matter whether you can complete it in a few days or a week or two. It doesn't matter how long it takes. You'll have access to the course for 6 months. But the most important thing is that you learn from the course and that you take action and apply what you learn. Not just completing the course. It's more important for you, your future self, your portfolio, to take action and apply what you learned. So you have 6 months access and you can learn at your own pace. But I think if you give it about an hour a day of your undivided attention, you can be done with the course in a few days. Really, a few days, because it's a very short course. I don't need to pack it full of a whole bunch of information to give you a whole bunch of data and a whole bunch of stuff that's going to overwhelm you. I give you exactly what you need, the step-by-step process to get you started investing, and with the strategies that you need to manage risk so you can limit losses, and also the strategy you need to grow your portfolio to 100K. And I didn't need a lot of content to give you that. So you can take the course pretty quickly in just a matter of a few days. Just a matter of a few days. If you have taken the course, how long did it take you to complete it? Leave a comment in the live chat to let me know. How long did it take you to complete it? Let's see. Who's with us? I see y'all. Let me know, how long did it take you to complete the course? But the next frequently asked question, I'm almost done here. Oh, this is going a lot faster than I expected. But the next frequently asked question is, will I get support if I have questions? That's a very, very good question. I have a two-part answer. The course itself is self-paced. The course only is self-paced with no direct coaching involved. However, you will have access to the private community with other students who've taken the course. So if you have questions, you can drop your questions in there. However, again, for students that enroll this month in March 2025, you will receive a bonus of complimentary coaching. So you will have support from me in the month of April, where I will answer all of your questions and provide additional guidance in addition to the course itself. Another thing that you will have is you will be given the option to have a bonus hour of one-on-one private coaching at the alumni-only rate. So for students that enroll this month, you have several resources available to get your questions answered for additional support. You have the private community. You will also have complimentary group coaching with me in April, and you will also be given an option for a bonus hour of one-on-one private coaching. But the course itself, the course alone, is self-paced, and there's no direct coaching included in just the course. But when you enroll this month, you get extra support. You will have support from me next month, and you will be able to get all of your questions answered as it relates to the course and also as it relates to your portfolio. Even if you already have a portfolio that you want to clean up, we can get those questions answered too. Okay? Let's see. What did I write down next? Oh, this one is not frequently asked, but I have received it a couple of times. So I wanted to mention it for my besties that are outside of the United States. Whether you live abroad, whether you are just traveling abroad temporarily, or you're planning to move abroad in the future. The question is, can I take the course if I'm outside of the United States? Absolutely. 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 Yes. So while there are some brokerage firms, some brokerage platforms that may limit your access if you live outside the United States and you don't have a US address, there are platforms available for you. And we talk about that in the course. If you live outside the US permanently, there may also be some tax considerations that vary based on the country that you're in. However, the core principles, the core investing principles that I teach in your road to 100K, they apply worldwide, no matter where you are in the world. If you're investing in the US stock market, the core principles that I teach apply no matter where you are. Okay. Thank you, Angie. Angie said it took her a few days. Did you attend the live training or the course? I can't remember either. But you and I reviewed as I put things into action. So Angie completed it in just a few days. Just a few days. It doesn't take long at all to complete the course. But yeah, so for my besties that live outside the US, as long as you have a US address, you can still use all the brokerage firms that we'll talk about in the course. And I will suggest one or two that I know are commonly used if you live outside of the US. But the core investing principles to invest in the US stock market that I teach in your road to 100K, that applies no matter where you are in the world. That applies no matter where you are in the world. Hey, Agami, you took the Peace Fund course. Okay, that was a workshop. That was a one-day workshop that I only offered one time only. But I remember you in the workshop. I enjoyed you in there. You asked really, really good questions. Oh, and thank you. Thank you. She said the coaching was invaluable. I love coaching. I love helping my sisters, building wealth, and helping you all get a piece of the pie that you're also entitled to. This is not a white man's game or white man's privilege. The stock market is the only system in the United States that cannot discriminate because it doesn't know who you are. So all you need to do is learn how to navigate the stock market and learn the strategies to build wealth. No one can discriminate against you in the stock market. This is the one way that you can take your reparations back. Snatch them right out of the stock market. But you got to learn how to invest. You will not build wealth saving. You will not build wealth paying off debt. You have to learn how to invest in the stock market. You have to learn how to invest. But let's see. Two more questions. How much does the course cost? And are there any payment plans available? You guys ask this question a lot. The investment into yourself when you enroll in your Road to 100K is currently $397. That's it. $397. And you will learn how to build a 100K portfolio for only $397. And yes, there are flexible payment options available to make it easier to manage the investment. Yes, there are flexible payment options available to manage the cost. And the last and final question, how do I enroll in the course? Let me share the link. You can enroll in your Road to 100K by clicking this link. I'm going to put it in the live chat, and I'm also going to put it in the description of the video. Enroll in your road to, I can't spell, your road to 100K. Oh, and I forgot, I have the link under my name here on the screen. Yes, moneycoachmalika.com/services/road to 100K. The link is in the live chat, and I also put it in the description of the video. When you sign up, you will receive instant access to all of the course materials so you can start learning. And in the last module of the course, it includes access to the private community and access to the link for group coaching in April. The group coaching in April is only available if you enroll this month. All right. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines, waiting to invest, besties, this is your opportunity to take action. I would not have the freedom that I enjoy today, and I would not be able to handle the financial obstacles that I've been facing recently. Many of you know what I've been dealing with, and baby, it ain't cheap. It ain't cheap. I would not be able to handle these financial obstacles with ease if I didn't invest in the stock market. Investing for me has been the key to my financial freedom. I have no interest in hustling and grinding, doing side hustles, 3 full side hustles to achieve financial freedom. I have no interest in stressing myself out trying to build a business to achieve financial freedom. The stock market, for me, has been the easiest, most simple way to achieve financial freedom because all I need to do is put my money to work, and my money did the hustling, grinding for me. So if you want that type of freedom, that simplicity and ease to freedom without the hustling, grinding, investing is the key to your freedom. And I created your Road to 100K, the course, to give you a roadmap to get to that freedom. Again, the link is in the description of this video. I also have it on the screen and in the live chat. Oh, it's on the, it's already on the screen. So when you enroll this month, you will receive group coaching in April to get all of your pressing questions answered, to ask any questions related to the stock market, what's currently going on in the stock market, to ask any questions related to your current portfolio if you already have one. So go ahead and enroll, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Let me see if the besties put any additional questions in the live chat. I don't think you did. I was glancing at the chat as I was talking. I didn't see any additional questions. So, yeah, and most of you have already taken your road to 100K. I love it. I love it. I love it. But all right, besties, I thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, hit that like button. Hit that like button down there and share the video with other women you know that want to start investing. And go ahead and enroll so you can get access to the group coaching next month. But until next time, bye for now.